Knowledge Channel Foundation and CEMEX Philippines Foundation visited San Antonio Village Elementary School in Barangay Dalig, Antipolo City for the launch of Tropang K, Likasan, a show about mitigating climate change through proper waste segregation, waste management, and water conservation. The launch was attended by different groups from San Antonio Village Elementary School, Schools Division's Office of Antipolo City, CEMEX Philippines Foundation, and the Knowledge Channel Foundation.
This initiative is a testament to our unwavering commitment to equip our youth with knowledge about climate change and the essentials of sustainable waste management.
San Antonio Elementary School's 478 grade 5 learners are privileged to receive video lessons.
Education is not a one-time event. It is a continuous and dynamic process.
Gusto din namin i-uwi ninyo ang natutunan ninyo sa inyong pamilya. Ito ay hindi pagtatapos ng ating misyon.
Students also participated in the special edition of Knowledge on the Go, which consisted of questions about the environment and proper waste management. Through the video launch of Tropang K, Likasan, CEMEX and Knowledge Channel are joining forces to enhance awareness on climate change, with the hope of providing the youth with more preparedness and knowledge on sustainability for the benefit of today and the future generations.
Mararanasan ang pagtaas ng temperatura sa Kalakhang, Maynila. Maaari itong umabot ng 49 degrees Celsius, kaya't mag-ingat at maghanda ng panangga sa init.
For more latest updates, visit knowledgechannel.org.